Welcome back to this series of videos on electric ukulele playing. Today is our last video at level 5, and then we'll look at more advanced finger picking. For now, we're going to do Beautiful by Gordon Lightfoot. Yes, another 70s Canadian song, and I filmed this video in Canada. Beautiful is a wonderful ballad, and the tempo is a comfortable one for picking and for marking the changes with chord strums. To me, this song calls for a gentle touch, and so I'm picking pretty lightly and strumming slowly. The track does have some trickier chords, especially the B minor. Try to put in that extra finger and it will sound better, but if you can't, you can cheat and just fret straight across. A professional might not agree, but in finger picking, I'd probably settle for the wrong note before a badly fretted one, because if you do the latter, it will just go plonk and sound dampened. Tune your uke and let's do it.
At times I just don't know how you could be anything but beautiful. Think that I'm made for you. You were made for me. And I know that I will never change. We've been friends, the rain, the shine, for such a long time. Laughing eyes, smiling face, it seems so lucky just to have the right telling